What is going on, you guys? Welcome to today's video. Lately I've been really freaking obsessed with just making homemade foods and trying like different recipes. I'm trying to learn and start working from home, so if you have any suggestions of doing that, leave it in the comments below because I'm open to almost anything. But since I'm home so much, I've just been making so many homemade, even the simplest stuff like homemade tomato sauce and homemade like muffins and stuff like that, or like tortillas that we used to buy. I make them from scratch now, so I think that stuff is really cool. Going vegan, I'm really experimenting with everything that I can. So today I decided to make chocolate chip cookies out of garbanzo beans, which sounds ridiculous. Like when I first heard it, I was like, ew, that sounds disgusting. But I've actually heard really good things about it, so I do want to attempt to make it. And the thing is, I'm not gonna tell Joseph that they're made out of garbanzo beans. I'm just gonna tell him that they're like some vegan cookies because that's what he thinks of everything that I eat. I'm just gonna tell him, hey, he has class at 6 and I have class at 8. Once he comes home, I'll probably cook him dinner or whatever and leave the cookies out, and I'll tell him just, hey, I made some vegan cookies and I want to make a video, so record your reaction and tell me what you think. I don't know, this is my first time even making homemade cookies. Let's see how this goes. So I already rinsed and drained beans. I have it in the blender. These are just the leftovers because we have a big old can. Please do not mind the mess. And I'm watching a video because I don't know how to make this. So here we go.
Garbanzo beans.
Fine. It's brand new and it literally preheated in like 15 seconds. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm just adding the coconut oil. Here we go. It's gonna take a few tries because our blender seriously sucks. Kind of looks like hummus, to be honest, but now I know what I'm gonna make next. Next in the recipe calls for coconut sugar. So I honestly forgot a step. I was supposed to make this into oat flour, but it's just regular oats right now. So I'm just hoping that once I put it in, it turns into oat flour. I also put baking soda on top. That is what the mix looks like now. Of course, you know I had to get some dairy-free chocolate chips. I'm just gonna throw a few on the top because why not? I'm going to take these and put them right in the oven. I don't have a mitt, so I hope I don't burn my face off. And there they go. I am gonna put the timer on for, I'll say 15 minutes. The cookies are done. Time to see how they came out. They look really bomb, not gonna lie. Here is what they look like, but they really don't look bad at all. They look a little like stale, but I don't think that they are. I'm gonna try to pick the cookies up and put them here. Can we just... That looks insanely similar to me, and I'm so happy because I freaking love cookies. I cannot wait to see Joseph's reaction. So the last batch of cookies came out, but it's like 7:40 and I have to go to class by 8. I was gonna put them here, but I'll just let them cool off here. And guys, how good of a wife am I? Like, come on. I don't even eat meat, but I still cook it for my husband. You know why? Because he didn't meet me as a vegan. I think that everybody should go comment. Not that we have so many followers, but comment, say you have the best wife ever.
Hey guys, so I just walked into my house after school. I go to night school. I've been working my associates. I just started 2 days ago, and everything's going great. Really love school. But it's funny because I come home thinking like, yo, you know what, I got some stuff to do at home after this. Probably gonna do some homework. And Amanda, like always, she's always like a little goofball and really romantic, and she's really into like those little things. I know how much she means to me, and she really cares about me, and I'm gonna show you guys why. Because one of my favorite things to come home to is like having my meal already prepped and like ready to go when I'm hungry. Take a look at this, guys. Everything laid out. I seriously have the best wife in the world. Thank you for the meal. I'm about to eat your vegan cookies. This is our first time ever making them, so I'm really excited actually to try them because I do like vegan food, to be honest. I'm not gonna be one of those guys that says, nah, it just not doesn't taste good. I've been to Bali and the food was amazing. However Amanda cooked this turkey meat, it's amazing. And I know you guys can't see me, but the turkey meat, oh my god. We're Hispanic, so you know we gotta have adobo, sazon. She be killing the kitchen, cause she's Puerto Rican, by the way. So that should just tell you how much seasoning is in this turkey meat. But goddamn, it's so good. So I don't know exactly what she's put in these, but let me tell you, they're amazing. Good job, babe. They're really, really good actually. Like, it tastes just like a regular chocolate chip cookie, but it's supposed to be vegan. So that's really, really weird. If you guys want to give them a shot, just a little experiment to see how vegans eat, hit up Amanda, or maybe she'll put the recipe in this video, but check it out.